Tag, and welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of April, we'll be learning about Austria. Come along with us. This week's song is a campfire classic known as Once an Austrian Went Yodeling. Let's turn those listening ears on and see how it goes. Once an Austrian went yodeling on a mountain so high, when along came an avalanche interrupting his cry. Yodelay, 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 hoo. Rumble, rumble, yodelay, lady, hoo. Great! So let's learn how that goes. Okay, so it starts with, once an Austrian went yodeling. Can you sing that with me? A one, a two, eins, zwei, drei. Once an Austrian went yodeling. Very good. Now the next part goes, on a mountain so high, on a mountain so high. Can you sing that with me? A one, a two, eins, zwei, drei. On a mountain so high. Great, let's add that on from the top. A one, a two, eins, zwei, drei. Once an Austrian went yodeling on a mountain so high. Great! Now the next part sounds like this. When along came an avalanche. Can you sing that with me? A one, a two, eins, zwei, drei. When along came an avalanche. Great. And the very last part, interrupting his cry. Can you sing that with me? A one, a two, eins, zwei, drei. Interrupting his cry. Good. Let's add that on from when along came an avalanche. A one, a two, eins, zwei, drei. When along came an avalanche, interrupting his cry. Great, let's add it all on from the top. Ready? A one, a two, eins, zwei, drei. Once an Austrian went yodeling on a mountain so high, when along came an avalanche, interrupting his cry. Great, so we'll change out avalanche for some other things that we might come across on an Austrian Alp. Maybe like a skier or a brown bear. Great, so then the next part goes, yodelay, like you're getting ready to yodel, okay? Yodelay. Can you sing that with me? A one, a two, eins, zwei, drei. Yodelay. Good, so it slows way down, doesn't it? Then we get into our yodeling section. Yodelay. Can you sing that with me? A one, a two, eins, zwei, drei. Yodelay. Good. And then we go to the other side. Yodelay. Can you sing that with me? A one, a two, eins, zwei, drei. Yodelay. Good, let's try both of them together. We have yodelay, yodelay, a one, a two, eins, zwei, drei. Yodelay, yodelay, Good. And then we hear the avalanche. Rumble, rumble. And then, because you're a very frustrated Austrian yodeler, you might let out a sigh like this. Or maybe even a lip trill. You get to pick, okay? And then we go back into Yodelady hoo. Can you sing that part with me? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. Yodelady hoo. Good. Should we try it all the way from the yodeling part? Okay, so we start with a nice slow yodelay, yodelay, yodelay hoo. Rumble, rumble. Yodelady hoo. Great. Will you try that with me? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. Yodelady, yodelay, yodelay hoo. Rumble, rumble. Yodelady hoo. Great. Should we try that verse all the way from the top, from the beginning of our avalanche verse? And then we'll add on some others. All right. A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. Once an Austrian went yodeling on a mountain so high, when along came an avalanche interrupting his cry. Yodelady, yodelay, yodelay hoo. Rumble, rumble. Yodelady hoo. Great job, everyone. All right, so then we'll add on some other verses like once an Austrian went yodeling on a mountain so high, when along came a skier. So a skier interrupting his cry. Yodelady, yodelay, yodelay hoo. Rumble, rumble, and then we add on swish, swish for our skiers. Now we have a really frustrated yodeler. Yodelady hoo. Great, so the second verse, we add our skier, swish, swish. And then in the third verse, we'll add on a brown bear that you might find on an Austrian Alp. All right, so we'll have once an Austrian went yodeling on a mountain so high, when along came a brown bear interrupting his cry. Yodelady, yodelay, yodelay hoo. Rumble, rumble, swish, swish, grrr. Frustrated yodeler. Yodelady hoo. All right, so we have those 3 different verses. Our first one is with the avalanche, which makes the sound rumble, rumble. The second verse is with our skier, who makes the sound swish, swish. And the third verse is with our brown bear, who makes the sound grrr. Great. So you can make your yodeler get more and more frustrated as the song goes on. So maybe the first one you just let out a little sigh. The second one, maybe it's a big sigh. And the last one with the grizzly bear, maybe it's a big... All right, should we try it all the way from the top? Okay, are you ready? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. Once an Austrian went yodeling on a mountain so high, when along came an avalanche interrupting his cry. Yodelady, yodelay, yodelay hoo. Rumble, rumble. Yodelady lady who. Once an Austrian went yodeling on a mountain so high, when along came a skier interrupting his cry. Yodelady, yodelay-hee, yodelay-hoo. Rumble, rumble, swish, swish. Yodelady lady who. Once an Austrian went yodeling on a mountain so high, when along came a brown bear interrupting his cry. Yodelady, yodelay-hee, yodelay-hoo. Rumble, rumble, swish, swish, grrr. Yodelady lady who. Great job, everyone! Wasn't that so much fun? Thanks so much for tuning in this week to Kodomo Kids. We'll see you again next week for more from Austrian in April. Bye, everyone. Auf Wiedersehen.